Hello, I'm Benny Bliss from the Alabama Gulf Coast town of Gulf Shores, formerly of Birmingham. I am the creator and founder of Magnetic Bliss. Magnetic Bliss is a product that enables you to install magnetic hooks to the grids on acoustical tile ceilings or any magnetic surface with ease and safely. Using the telescoping installation tool with a connector that threads onto the end, you can now easily attach magnetic hooks to the ceiling to hang banners, decorations, flags, mobiles, ornaments, signs, and so much more without having to climb a ladder or a step stool. The neodymium magnets are among the strongest in the world. Each one of these magnetic hooks is designed to support 5 pounds of weight. No longer will you have to rely on fishing line, gym clips, wire to hang things from the ceiling, nor risk permanent damage to your ceiling tiles. Using the telescoping installation tool that extends to 40 inches, you can now reach a normal height ceiling with little effort. You can remove your magnetic hooks the same way you install them. Easy on, easy off. Each set includes the telescoping installation tool, the magnetic pickup tool, attachment, and 10 magnetic hooks. I am seeking $150,000 from the Sharks in exchange for a 25% equity stake of my company. The funding will be used to purchase new inventory, develop complementary products that are already in development with prototypes already made. I will need to merge, purge, and update my current 1.2 million customer database of qualified customers. I initially developed this for the classroom and quickly discovered there are so many more uses. Visiting classrooms across the country, I noticed that most schools had acoustical tile ceilings, and teachers were using bent gym clips, wire, string, fishing line, and tape to hang banners, mobiles, flags from their ceilings. I thought, there has to be an easier way, a safer way without putting a chair on a table. Sometimes you get your best ideas in the shower. Well, that's where it hit me. I designed a telescoping installation tool for easy on, easy off. I also designed a bonus thread-on tip to pick up pins, tacks, and gym clips from an office floor, or nails or screws from your workshop area. There are lots of other uses. Think of the ways that you can use Magnetic Bliss. It's a simple idea, it solves a problem, it's affordable, and the rare earth magnetic hooks will support up to 5 pounds of weight. Our provisional patent expired. We will be seeking guidance on whether to seek the utility patent or not due to possible changes if it was copied. I have developed a fully developed product. Everything is in place. The manufacturing that meets and exceeds quality control expectations, initial qualified customer database, and lots of ideas for complementary products to roll out down the road. When you take this out of the package, you have magneticbliss.com added to each magnetic hook to serve as a reminder where they got this product from. Without any marketing, I get orders almost daily from Amazon, eBay, and from our website. In the last 2 years, we've sold about 900 sets. Also included in this is test marketing of just the magnetic hooks being sold alone on eBay with great success. What makes Magnetic Bliss unique? The strength of the magnetic hook is stronger, supporting up to 5 pounds. The telescoping installation tool allows for a 40-inch extension, and the bonus pickup tool has uses in the home, office, and workshop. In 2017, our sales with little or no marketing, we sold 500 sets at $25, $12,500. Our projected 2018 sales is 10,000 sets with the Sharks' help at $25. That could be $250,000. With over 7 billion square feet of retail space in 105,000 shopping centers, 705,000 office buildings, 150,000 convenience stores, 4.3 million retail and food service locations, 500,000 grocery stores, 128,000 K-12 schools with a minimum of 3.5 million classrooms, 140,000 new and used car dealerships, 180,000 car repair shops, not including all of the government military applications. The customer base is endless. This is for the United States alone. Just imagine the worldwide distribution. I've invested $85,000, my life savings. I've drained my IRAs. If I don't get a deal, I'll continue to operate Magnetic Bliss on a smaller scale to fill orders that come in and to possibly look at opening a retail gift shop, which is what I've done in the past. I've been an entrepreneur all my life. I've always been selling something to somebody or thinking up business ideas. Back in the 80s, when I lived in Los Angeles, my roommate called me a thinking machine, as I was always coming up with business ideas. My mentor once told me something that I live by. The busiest man or woman has the most time. You find time to do the things that you want to do. I live by this. I have the time, I just need some money. In the development of Magnetic Bliss and seeing the reactions of teachers when I would go in and demo, I'd say, I'm on to something big. This business is my life. I've invested everything into chasing this dream. This adventure has come at a tremendous cost. After losing my job to a weak economy in which the company ceased operations after 43 years of business, I lost my marriage, I lost my home in pursuit of chasing the belief that Magnetic Bliss had potential. I want to prove to the naysayers that this is a great product. I am making a fresh start, and in the right hands, Magnetic Bliss could be huge. My ultimate goal is to make Magnetic Bliss a household name and to put myself in a position to give back to my community and pay it forward. Having a background in the church and education markets from my work in the mail order industry, I'd like to establish an entrepreneurial program with our new high school where students can learn all the facets of running a business and participate in the operation of this business while getting school credit and earning a paycheck. I would like to establish a scholarship program where the students get some, if not all, of their tuition paid as a result of Magnetic Bliss sales. Here's something interesting about myself. When I owned a chain of gift shops called Little Gatlinburg, I was the largest Beanie Baby distributor in the Southeast for a brief period of time, selling over 30,000 Beanie Babies a week for several months. The most I ever sold in a day was 10,000 Beanie Babies. I also am an alumni volunteer and mentor to my undergrad members of Tau Kappa Epsilon fraternity and currently serve as the president of the board of directors and on the board of advisors at Auburn University. My family and friends have always been supportive of my endeavors and wish it would take off. I was raised to do things on my own and I was told it builds character. Well, I'm told I'm quite the character. My ex-wife says that no one will ever say that I wasn't persistent, tenacious, and chasing my dreams. My biggest challenge so far has been capitalization. It's only going to take one shark to make it all come together. I've got everything in place. The manufacturer, the product, and a desire. Remember, with Magnetic Bliss, you'll stick with us.